A plumber can lose a $400 job in 20 seconds if the phone rings after hours and nobody answers. This is Stack Smarter, where we test and rank AI tools so you do not waste money. Today we are building a missed call recovery system for a home service business, AnswerForce for after-hours answering and booking, QuoteIQ for estimates and quotes, and HouseCall Pro, Jobber, or Service Titan for scheduling, reviews, follow-up, and operations. Some links below are affiliate links that support the channel at no extra cost to you. The point is not fancy AI. The point is simple. Answer faster, quote faster, follow up faster, and stop letting booked jobs slip through the cracks. Here is the test scenario. A homeowner calls at 8:43 p.m. because a bathroom sink is leaking and they want someone tomorrow morning. The owner is under a crawl space on another job and misses the call. In the old workflow, the caller hits voicemail, calls 2 competitors, and the job is gone. In the AI-assisted workflow, the call gets answered, the customer is qualified, the job type and address are captured, a time window is offered, an estimate request is created, and the follow-up text asks for a photo. The Do It Today tip is to define emergency, same-day and next-day rules before using any receptionist tool. AI cannot book well if you have not decided what counts as urgent. Skip this stack if your business has fewer than 5 inbound calls a week. Start with a simple voicemail and text back first. For growing home service shops, the tools below can pay for themselves with one recovered job. AnswerForce is not a pure AI chatbot. It is a 24/7 answering and virtual receptionist service for businesses, including home service categories like plumbing, HVAC, restoration, and contractors. Its site emphasizes live answering, appointment scheduling, live chat, bilingual answering, lead qualification, and integrations with tools like HouseCall Pro, Service Titan, Salesforce, and Zapier. Pricing is usage-based and plan-based, with minutes and overage rates depending on the package, so you should check the current quote instead of assuming one flat price. Best for service businesses that want real people answering calls when the office is closed. The weakness is cost predictability compared with pure AI tools because call volume affects the bill. Skip AnswerForce if you only want a low-cost AI voice bot with no human layer. Do this today. Write a 5-question intake script. Name, address, issue, urgency, preferred time, and photo permission. Use the AnswerForce link below if a human-backed receptionist is worth the premium. QuoteIQ is the quote and estimate layer I would test for smaller contractors because its pricing is clearer than many field service platforms. Its public pricing page lists essentials at $29.99 per month, billed annually at $25 per month, with estimates, invoices, scheduling, online payments, AI virtual call team, and AI credits included. Higher plans add features like Map Measure Pro, QuoteIQ Cam, Review Multiplier, e-signatures, and advanced analytics. Best for solo operators and small crews that need fast professional estimates without buying a full enterprise field service suite. The weakness is that it may not replace a mature dispatch, inventory, and reporting system for larger multi-crew companies. Skip QuoteIQ if you already run everything in HouseCall Pro, Jobber, or Service Titan and only need better call answering. Do this today. Create 3 quote templates for leak repair, drain clearing, and fixture install, then attach customer photos before sending. QuoteIQ is linked below for faster estimates. HouseCall Pro is a field service management platform for scheduling, dispatching, estimates, invoices, payments, and customer communication. Its public pricing page shows basic at $59 per month when billed annually, with higher tiers such as Essentials and Max for more users and features. Best for small home service businesses that want a complete operating system but are not ready for enterprise software. The features that matter for missed jobs are online booking, drag and drop scheduling, real-time dispatching, estimates, invoices, review generation, and payment collection. The weakness is tier jumps and add-ons. What starts affordable can become more expensive as you add users, advanced reporting, or marketing tools. Skip HouseCall Pro if you are a one-person shop that only needs quotes and text reminders. Do this today. Create a saved job type for after-hours leak call with default duration, price range, and confirmation text. Use the HouseCall Pro link below if scheduling and payments are your bottleneck. Jobber is one of the friendliest field service tools for small home service businesses. Its public pricing page shows plans starting at $29 per month on annual billing for solo operators, with higher plans for more features and teams. Jobber handles quoting, scheduling, invoicing, online booking, client communication, payment collection, and review-style follow-up workflows. Best for plumbers, cleaners, landscapers, and small crews that want something easy enough for techs to use on a phone. The features that mattered in the missed call scenario were online booking, customer notifications, quote follow-up, invoice payment, and pipeline-style lead tracking on higher plans. The weakness is growth cost. Once you add team members and marketing tools, the monthly bill can climb quickly. Skip Jobber if you need deep enterprise reporting, call center analytics, or complex multi-branch dispatch. Do this today. Set an automatic follow-up for every unsent or unapproved quote after 24 hours. The Jobber link below is for owners who want simple follow-up without a giant system. Service Titan is the heavyweight option. It is built for serious trades businesses that need scheduling, dispatching, call booking, invoicing, price book, memberships, reporting, payroll-related workflows, and more advanced operations. Its public pricing page does not publish a simple self-serve monthly price. It says pricing is per technician and asks businesses to request pricing. Best for larger plumbing, HVAC, electrical and home service companies with multiple techs, higher call volume and managers who need visibility across the business. The features that matter are call booking, dispatch, mobile estimates, price book, memberships, reporting, and operational controls. The weakness is cost and complexity. It can be too much software for a small shop that just needs to stop missing calls. Skip Service Titan if you are under a few techs and do not have someone responsible for software adoption. Do this today. Before booking a demo, calculate calls, booked jobs, average ticket, and missed call revenue so the ROI conversation is real. Service Titan is linked below for larger operators. The cheapest sensible setup depends on call volume. For a solo plumber with a few missed calls, start with QuoteIQ for estimates and simple follow-up, then add a lower-cost answering or text-back workflow before buying a full field service platform. For a growing crew, AnswerForce plus Jobber or HouseCall Pro is the practical middle. Calls get captured, jobs get booked, quotes go out, and reminders keep the customer warm. For a larger shop, Service Titan starts making sense only when dispatch complexity and reporting justify the sales-led price. The math is simple. If your average booked job is $400 and one missed call per week becomes a one job, that is roughly $1,600 a month in recovered revenue before costs. Do this today. Listen to the last 10 missed voicemails and label each as emergency, estimate, price shopper, or spam. Then choose the tool that fixes the biggest category. The recommended links below follow that order. For the cheapest setup that can recapture real revenue, I would start with QuoteIQ for estimates and follow-up, then add AnswerForce when missed calls are clearly costing booked jobs. If you need full field service operations, choose Jobber for ease, HouseCall Pro for a strong small crew operating system, and Service Titan only when you have the size and complexity to justify it. The mistake is buying enterprise software before fixing the phone. Start by answering every lead, then quote fast, then automate review and follow-up. Use the QuoteIQ or AnswerForce links in the description based on your biggest leak. Subscribe to Stack Smarter for more practical AI business tool tests, and remember, the best tool is the one you'll actually use, so start with our pick and build your stack from there.